Racing just is started. We have Dimasalang break quickly restart. Armory moving up. Tiger and Smart Guru. The next song Lalala Juwon, while Whistler is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Tiger and now takes command. Down on the inside is Armory. 3 lengths further back in third comes Dimasalang. The next online Ola Juwon alongside Pierre is Smart Guru, while Whistler is still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Tiger Run by about 3 lengths. Armory in second, trying to get closer in third. Now is Dimasalang. Smart Guru is sorry outside. Ola Juwon is down on the inside. Whistler is down in 6. Time is running out as the third National Press Club Horse Racing Cup now reach the 400 meters. We have Tiger Run by only half length. Dimasalang is Smart Guru is sorry outside. And as they swing for home, Tiger Run is Smart Guru moving up on the outside. And now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have a Smart Guru by our length and a half. Dimasalang, Whistler, Tiger Run last 50 meters. We have a Smart Guru. Second is Dimasalang, then comes Whistler, Tiger, and Ola Juwon, and Armory.